Hola a todos y bienvenidos a este video especial de nuestro workshop gratuito
Alcanzando la excelencia operacional con una solución Lean Digital.
Hoy tenemos el honor de contar con la participación de Lei, un experto en Lean Manufacturing y transformación digital, con años de experiencia ayudando a empresas a optimizar sus operaciones y alcanzar la excelencia operativa. Le enviamos unas cuantas preguntas para que nos apoye a profundizar más sobre el tema. What is the most common mistake you see companies make when trying to implement Lean Manufacturing, and how can they avoid it?
Lean manufacturing has been a very popular concept among those manufacturing companies all over the world. However, a lot of companies, when they started their Lean journey, they made a mistake by simply just copy and paste those Lean tools and Lean concepts in their own manufacturing plants. During this workshop that we are going to have, we are going through the origin story of Lean manufacturing and the fundamental principles of the Lean concept, Lean manufacturing, how Toyota started their Lean journey, and what are the underlying important principles. Rather than just copy and paste the Lean tools, you will have to learn the importance of the concepts.
How do you think digitalization and Industry 4.0 are revolutionizing operational efficiency in factories?
I think everybody will understand the power of data and the power of make use of data. How do we get the result, get the value out of the data? And the modern technology in digitalization and Industry 4.0 has bring us manufacturing companies this opportunity of acquire and harness the power of massive data. So these will in turn turbocharge our Lean journey. Instead of a slowly continuous improvement flow, with proper use of digitalization, we can really boost up our Lean journey.
Can you share an example of how a company overcame a major challenge in implementing Lean thanks to the methodologies we'll learn about in the workshop?
Lean manufacturing and Kaizen is all about problem solving. And how do we solve a problem? We gather some data, we try to find the root cause, do some analytics, and then we go in improvement and eliminate the waste and bring the value, right? With one of our clients, when we started together with them, their Lean journey, with all industries' modern technology IoT devices, we are able to help our clients skip the very tedious and massive effort and amount of data acquisition. And with the software, we also analyze the data automatically for them to realize where the most important improvement lever is, so that in turn greatly eliminated the waste of problem solving, which is acquiring data, analyzing data. So they are able to focus primarily on improvement. That's the most value-adding activity in Lean manufacturing.
For those who haven't yet made the leap of digitalization, what advice would you give them to get started with IoT and digital transformation?
As we talked about, Lean manufacturing is all about continuous improvement, problem-solving culture. But we also know about garbage in and garbage out. You might have a perfect decision-making, problem-solving culture or process, but the data you are getting is a garbage. You won't be able to make a difference at the end of the day, right? So for those companies that just started their digital Lean journey, we sincerely advise them to build a system in terms of digitalization and IoT devices, build a system where you can get real-time, reliable data across the organization. Build a full data transparency within your organization so everybody is relying on the single source of truth. That will help you greatly improve and turbocharge your Lean journey. Thank you very much.
Agradecemos a Lei por su participación en este video. Recuerda que estos workshops se llevarán a cabo el 4 de septiembre aquí en Guadalajara, Jalisco, y el 11 de septiembre en Monterrey, Nuevo León, ambos en las respectivas sedes de la Cámara Nacional de Comercio de cada ciudad. Estaremos esperándote con mucho gusto.